In this video, we'll show you how to block specific time slots in your calendar. First, kindly click the Calendar tab on the left side of the page. The calendar will open, and then kindly select the date and time that you want to block. So let's say, for example, we're going to block this time slot. A pop-up window will appear. Then kindly click the Block Time tab beside Appointment. You may enter a specific activity in the title or simply use the standard phrase block time. Please review and confirm the date and time that you wish to block. You can also use the checkbox to block the entire day or set the block to repeat at specific intervals. Additionally, you have the option to decline all existing appointments during the block time. Once all details have been finalized, kindly click Save, and the block time will be displayed on the calendar. Thank you.